Does it feel like everything is going wrong with your car? It could be a bad ECM. What is an ECM? The ECM is often considered the computer of your car. ECM stands for Engine Control Module. It is also commonly referred to as the Engine Control Unit, ECU. The ECM is a crucial component of the vehicle's electronic control system, and its primary function is to manage and control various aspects of the engine's operation. Key ECM functions and roles. Number 1. Engine performance. The ECM monitors and controls the engine's performance parameters, including air-fuel mixture, ignition timing, and idle speed. It continuously adjusts these parameters to ensure optimal engine performance, power, and efficiency. Number 2. Emissions control. The ECM plays a critical role in controlling emissions by managing the air-fuel mixture and the operation of emission control systems like the catalytic converter, helping your car meet emission standards set by regulatory agencies. Number 3. Sensor monitoring and security. The ECM receives input from various sensors placed throughout the engine and vehicle, such as the oxygen sensor, mass airflow sensor, throttle position sensor, and coolant temperature sensor. These sensors provide real-time data on engine conditions, allowing the ECM to make adjustments as needed. Number 4. Engine diagnostics. The ECM is equipped with onboard diagnostics, OBD, capabilities. If it detects a fault or malfunction in the engine or related systems, it can store diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, and illuminate the check engine light on the dashboard. Number 5. Adaptive learning. Modern ECMs are often equipped with adaptive learning capabilities. They can adapt to various driving conditions and driver behaviors over time, optimizing performance and efficiency. Symptoms of a bad ECM. How do you know that your ECM is malfunctioning? Look for these telltale signs of a bad ECM. Number 1. Check engine light, CEL, malfunction. One of the most common signs of ECM failure is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard. The ECM monitors various sensors and systems in the vehicle, and when it detects a fault or malfunction, it stores diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, and triggers the CEL to alert the driver. A persistent CEL that cannot be cleared is often a strong indicator of ECM issues. Number 2. Poor engine performance. A failing ECM can lead to poor engine performance, including rough idling, misfires, hesitation, and reduced power. The ECM is responsible for managing important engine parameters such as air-fuel mixture, ignition timing, and fuel injection. When it malfunctions, it may not provide the correct signals to control these aspects effectively. Number 3. Stalling and starting problems. An ECM that is failing or has failed may cause stalling when the vehicle is running or difficulty starting the engine. In some cases, the engine may crank but not start at all. This can result from incorrect fuel and ignition timing or other issues controlled by the ECM. Number 4. Erratic transmission shifting, automatic transmissions. In vehicles equipped with automatic transmissions, the ECM communicates with the Transmission Control Module, TCM, to coordinate shifts. A malfunctioning ECM can disrupt this communication, leading to erratic or harsh shifting, and potentially causing transmission-related problems. Number 5. Reduced fuel efficiency. ECM failure can affect the engine's ability to optimize fuel delivery and combustion, resulting in reduced fuel efficiency. This can lead to decreased miles per gallon, MPG, and increased fuel consumption. It's important to note that while these symptoms can indicate ECM failure, they can also be caused by other issues within the engine or vehicle's electrical system. If you experience any of these symptoms, have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. They can use diagnostic equipment to read DTCs and perform tests to determine if the ECM is the root cause of the issues and recommend the necessary repairs or replacements. Causes of ECM failure. Now that we know how to tell if you have an ECM failure, Let's take a look at why your ECM failed. Number 1. Corrosion and moisture. Exposure to water or moisture can be detrimental to the ECM's electronics. ECMs are typically located under the hood, and if there are leaks or improper sealing around the ECM housing, water can infiltrate and cause damage. Driving through deep water or submerging the vehicle can also lead to ECM damage. Number 2. Faulty starter, battery, and grounding issues. If you've upgraded to a new starter, there's a risk of causing harm to your older ECM. Many contemporary starters bypass the essential voltage regulator responsible for regulating the power supplied to your ECM. This can lead to voltage irregularities, potentially causing your vehicle's ECM to experience issues during ignition. Dead cells in batteries, improper jump-starting practices, and loose grounding connections can also contribute to incorrect inputs and problem codes. Number 3. Age and wear. Over time, ECMs can naturally degrade due to wear and tear. The internal components, such as capacitors and solder joints, can deteriorate, leading to malfunction or failure. While this is less common than the other causes mentioned, it can still lead to ECM issues in older vehicles or those with high mileage. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.